Done my base makeup and eyebrows, so I'm going straight to eyeshadow today. I'm going to use two palettes from the Maison Kitsune collaboration collection with 3CE, and I'm starting off with the pale pink shade from Freezing Step, and I'm putting that all over my eyelid and under my eyes. I'm taking the darker pink shimmer shade onto my outer V and blending it into my crease. Next, I'm going in with the warm reddish brown from the Warming Wear palette on a pencil brush, and I'm putting that in the inner corner of my eyelids. With the same brush, I'm going back to the darker pink shade and deepening the color on the outer V. I'm also putting it on the outer corner of my lash line. I'm taking a very shimmery pink shade and packing that on the center of my eyelid with my finger. With the dark chocolate brown color from the Freezing Step palette, I'm putting that in the inner corner of my eyelid and lower lash line. I used two of the eye switches for this look, and I think these were my favorite products from the entire collection. Dalsegno is a rose gold glitter, and Petal is a cool tone pink color with larger glitters. With a detail brush, I'm putting Petal on my bottom lash line and Dalsegno on the center of my eyelid. For blush, I just used the blush from the Freezing Step palette, and it's just a warm pink. I didn't notice my lips were out of frame when I filmed, so I am very sorry. But for my lips today, I used the Velvet Lip Tint in Rambling Rose for the entire lip. The Velvet Lip Tints are probably becoming one of my favorite formulas right now, after Ione gave me like 3 to try. For the final step, I put the Velvet Lip Crayon in Grenadine in the center of my lips to deepen the color. age now, and my voiceover sounds really bad. So, yeah, that's it. I keep telling myself that I'm gonna stop doing voiceovers, but I end up doing voiceovers anyway. I did this to myself.